This portable induction cooktop stands out for its unusually fine temperature control, letting you dial in heat changes by single-degree steps for very precise cooking. 6 clearly defined cooking modes cover everyday tasks from gentle simmering to high-heat stir-frying, so it is easy to get consistent results without fiddling with manual settings. Despite its slim profile, the unit delivers strong heating performance, bringing about 1 liter of water to a boil in only a few minutes while taking up very little counter space. The dual temperature display that shows both the target and actual pan temperature makes it much easier to judge what is really happening in the pot instead of guessing from power levels alone. A tough glass surface paired with an active cooling system helps the cooktop stay stable, resist scratches, and clean up quickly even after longer cooking sessions. As long as you use cookware with a magnetic base, this compact burner offers an efficient, responsive alternative to gas or traditional electric stoves that suits small kitchens, dorms, or RVs.